Hello folks, I'm Dean with Dean's Woodworking. Welcome to the shop. Y'all come on in and make yourself comfortable. We have been doing a series of ornaments. Just small, simple ornaments. They're great fun to turn, they're great skill builders, and your friends and family will love them. And if you decide to do an art show or craft show, they will fly off the table. The one we're going to be doing today is a little snowman. Give you guys a little closer view of the little guy. And with this one, we came in and put just a little bit of ribbon around his neck. On the new ones, I use puff paint for the eyes and use a little dab of puff paint for the nose. But the puff paint for the eyes, the mouth, and the little button seems to work a whole lot better for me than the pyrography did. So with that said, let's get turning. By the way, if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and go down and hit the subscribe button for me if you don't mind. It helps the channel out a lot, lets a whole lot more folks see what we're doing. Thank you very much. Okay, with this one, he's about 3 inches tall, so I'm going to leave just a little bit of space right here where the center's going in, and I'm going to come back about 3 inches from there. We're going to give the little guy about 1 inch for his hat, about 3/4 inch for his head, and then the base will take up the rest. Now let me just go ahead and I'll make those marks real quick. And so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and just slice back some off of this top here. We want to get back to where we're off of that just a little bit so we can kind of see where the end is. Again, we're going to make our hat right about there. So I'm going to come in and do just a little bit of a peeling cut. And then we'll just kind of give the top of the hat just a little bit of a... And we'll leave it right there because we don't want to take it down too far at this point. We need to leave a little room for the brim. So we're going to come in here just like so. And we're going to come in and we're going to start shaping our head and our body. Really, we're not going to take too much off the bottom. It's going to be about 1.5 inches. And by the way, if I didn't say so before, this started out as 1.5 inch square poplar blank. I cut it about 8 inches long so I'd have plenty of room to make a couple of snowmen. And as you can see there, we are well on our way to having that bottom done. I'll just come in and do a peeling cut right there. And then we're going to come in and we're going to start shaping the brim of his hat. We want to thin that down just a little bit. Okay. And then we're gonna bring that head down just a little bit smaller. And folks, at that point, you basically have your snowman turned. Now, see, we got just a little bit of a catch there. Not really a catch, but we did get a rough cut. So we're going to go ahead and fix that. Let's switch over to a 1/2 inch skew. It's a little easier to work with in that tight spot there. Okay, let's take a look at that, folks. I believe we're looking pretty good. We're going to hit him with some sandpaper. And again, just like the other ornaments, the idea is to turn it in such a way that we don't have to do a whole lot of sanding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in, I'm going to do some cuts here just to take some wood away. And from that point there, we'll come in with a parting tool and we'll part this guy off. So we can do our sanding there. We want to hit that rim of that hat real light because we don't want that squared off. We want it rounded off. That's the 150. We're going to do about the same thing with the 220. Again, we're just hitting it close. That's the 220. You're going to hit the 320. Again, we're not spending a whole lot of time sanding. I'm going to leave the sanding real time so you guys can see exactly how long it took. On this one, I'll go ahead and show you guys what you can do with Formica. This is just a Formica sample that you would pick up from one of the big box stores. You can come in here and burn you a little line, and on this one, we're going to have a double line for the snowman's hat. Now that we've got it to that point, we can go ahead and finish the top of the hat here. What we're going to do is we're going to take the live center out, and we're just going to take this off. And then again, you're a ways away from the chuck, so there's no sense in hurrying with it. We're just going to take that off slow and easy. And yeah, you could probably push it, but why? Just let that go real easy. And as you come in with the skew, you just eliminated the need to sand that at all. So what we're going to do now at this point, I'm going to come right here at the end, and I'm just going to touch that right in the middle. Again, just barely touch it. All you're doing is creating a little bit of a divot. The reason you're creating a divot is we're going to use this little pin vise to drill right into the end of this. Now we can put our hanger right in there. The only thing we have left to do on the lathe is part this little guy off. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. When you're parting him off, instead of going straight in, go in at just a slight angle. That way if somebody does decide to set this down on a table or something, it will set there. Folks, there's our little snowman. We just need to go in and put some eyes, a nose, and a few buttons on him. Give him a little ribbon, and he's ready to go. You'll notice the one in my left hand does not have lines around the hat. This one does. Make them a little different. You can colorize these you want to, paint their hats black. There's so many things you can do with these little ornaments. And you saw how long it took to turn that. And that's about twice as long as it takes if I'm just out here by myself not doing a video and doing production turning on these things. They are so simple, they're so fast, and you can't keep them in stock if you're doing a show. And as far as your friends and family, you pass these out, they will absolutely love them. Folks, I'll put some photographs up at the end of the video of these so you can see what they look like finished. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So many of you have been sharing my videos, and I can't thank you enough for doing that. So thank you very much. I love the comments. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy turning.